Hi, this is Amber with Nissan of Cool Springs. We'd like to welcome all of our online truck shoppers. Thanks for taking a moment to watch our video. We hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we have a pre-owned, like new 2017 Titan SL with about 15,000 miles. Also, it's a one-owner vehicle with a Clean Carfax and is still under factory warranty. This truck has a ton of features. It has chrome trim, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, remote start, power side view mirrors, spray-on bed liner, tow package, running boards, Utilitrack, and Titan boxes, just to name a few. Taking a look inside, you'll see a black leather interior with heated front bucket seats and second row seating with plenty of room for 3 passengers. As we move up front, you'll see a Rockford Fosgate Premium audio system with SiriusXM radio along with hands-free Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Plus, it has steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, push button start, GPS navigation, backup camera, and more. Call us at 615-224-8314 to set up a time for your test drive. We'll see you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty.